You ready to go?
Yeah.
Hi guys, if you hear noise, that's Kane. But we're about to, okay, so the reason I haven't vlogged recently, all of us have had a cold. I don't know if you can hear it from me, but I know you can hear it in Kane's voice. But anyways, we are about to go to Kroger because we have no more waters, and then we're gonna go to Target. Kane's gonna show Santa Claus what he wants for Christmas, and also need to look for my dad's gift. He already told me everything that he wants, so I gotta look for his gift. Oh, you guys, I don't know why I just feel so blah. And I was feeling real blah yesterday, but then my mom came in here with some good news that in February we'll be going to Seattle. I do need a trip, guys. I need a trip. I need a trip so bad. So I worked my butt off today, sent a bunch of people to audit, you know, picked up a few others and to make some money. And yeah, I'm in saving mode. Besides that, you know, you'll see what we do there. Went to Trader Joe's too. I got my hair on top of my head. Trader Joe's from a few days back. I think it was like 2 days ago, but I'm still gonna put it in this vlog. But besides that, that's really it. That's all that's been going on. Been laying in bed, taking medicine, sleeping, resting, trying to feel better. Luckily Kane didn't have a temp. When Kane has a temp, it's the worst. I'm saying, like, of course he's not himself, but he's like overly blah, like, ugh. And I'm always waking up in the middle of the night just like checking on him repeatedly. So I don't really sleep much. I don't sleep the best when he has a temp. But he didn't get a temp. So he's been sleeping, I've been sleeping, my dad's been sleeping because we're the main ones with the cold. Eden kind of has one, but she's been sleeping too. Only person I didn't catch is my mom. But I'm feeling a lot better today. So I'll see you guys when we get to Target. I'm not really going to vlog Kroger. It's a grocery store. I don't really have anything to vlog. Might give me a pack of candy just for the heck of it. I don't need it, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.
Look at that puffer jacket, Major.
Yeah, for New York. And Seattle.
Good Seattle. Look like some mean.
Okay, who needs to wear this?
Mommy!
I am not wearing this.
I want
Where am I wearing this to?
this. Mom today.
Where's she gonna wear this?
Mimi house.
I'm gonna wear this to Mimi's house? No. That's what it looks like on.
It feels nice though. It's ugly.
It's ugly.
They're really ugly.
I don't see that. It's not my
Can't wait.
Right here.
You don't like the dinosaurs?
I got it. Oh no, it did.
Want me to tell them to get that one?
No.
No?
I don't know.
Don't go to the end of the aisle. Wait for us.
I did that.
You like that? Take a picture.
You want me to take a picture?
Okay. What
Okay.
else? That's just one thing.
What else?
Okay, you.
Oh, no. We're telling Santa Claus about this.
Santa.
Wait.
Okay, look.
Honey, look here. I'm a honey.
You want a race car?
Yeah.
Can you show me the race car real quick?
Ta-da. Wait,
Alright. Race car. Are these?
yeah.
Nani said that's a no-go.
Yeah, I used to want it. I used to want the Toyota that
This is gonna go.
Mom's looking at it, okay?
That's not it.
That's not it?
Oh, I think we're.
You gotta show me so I can send it to him. Okay, what else?
Okay. Ooh, out here.
Up here? Transformers?
Yeah. It's a red.
The red one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not it.
That's not it?
Yeah.
Wait, baby.
someone needs to be white.
Where's that neighbor?
Okay, we're not getting that today.
Okay.
Too close to Christmas time.
Wait for me. But usually they have more end caps. Hey, show me. Who is that?
You the old today.
Who is that?
You follow me.
But you were.
See if they have something. Not ahead.
That's good.
We're home. I'm about to go upstairs, go get the dog, feed him, take him outside so he can poop and pee because I'm not trying to be outside when it's pitch black, okay? Done it before, hated it, didn't like it. I don't know anyone that likes it. I'm just waiting on Eden. I officially finished work just now because I got a few job opportunities while we were out. And now I'm just about to walk the dog and find something to watch on TV. Don't know what I'm gonna watch, but I'm gonna find something. We did end up going to Trader Joe's to get their Kung Pao chicken. And my dad made some of that. So that's what we ended up eating. Did I drink a Coke with mine? Yes, I did, okay? Yeah, don't look at me like that, okay? It was delicious, and it was worth all the calories and sugar, okay? But yeah. Ooh, the sky looks so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. It looks so pretty. It's more like pink. Like right here, it's more pink from where I can see it, but it looks more orange on y'all's. But yeah, that's our backyard. We don't have an actual backyard for you to hang out and play in. We do have a wraparound balcony though, so. But it's so pretty, the sky. I love it.
What house is it up there? Your house is. You walk to the
I wanted a hug.
You have walked to the.
Okay, I'm about to watch TikToks that have to do with BTS. But anyways, I'm about to watch some BTS TikToks, drink my water, and Kane has TV tonight. It's his turn, but it's honestly because I have nothing to watch. Nothing I'm in the mood to watch. But he's just eating his Funyuns. He's so cute. Let me go ahead and get eating so we can do the outro. The outro. Sit outro. Okay, let me go eating.
Do you see what I do?
Yeah. Say hi, Arlo. Oh. He said rub my belly. He's so cute. Look at little doggo. Oh, he's trying to eat my hair. Anyways, let's go ahead and do the outro. Bye. Bye. You can't see me that well, but bye.
Bye, guys.
Yo, when BTS comes back in 2025, I'm going to the concert.
I'll go with you.
You gotta catch up on some of the music though.
Yeah, I don't listen to them that much.
She used to. She went through a K-pop phase.
Yeah, of
But then
course.
she kind of fell off. She was listening to like 17, Icon, who else?
IU.
IU,
I still listen to IU.
Blackpink, all that. So
I just don't listen to Blackpink.
you used to.
Yeah, some of them are racist, so I stopped.
Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.